Hello, tiny explorers! Today, we are diving deep into the amazing ocean. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a dolphin! Did you know that dolphins are smart and love to jump? This is a whale! Did you know whales are the biggest animals in the ocean? This is a shark. Did you know that sharks have lots of sharp teeth? This is an octopus. Look at its 8 arms. This is a clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones. This is a sea turtle. Sea turtles can swim for thousands of miles. This is a crab. Did you know crabs walk sideways? This is a starfish. Can you count its 5 arms with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! Let's keep going. This is a seal. Did you know seals love to splash and play? This is a squid. Did you know that a squid can swim very fast? Can you tell me which animal has 8 arms? That is right, an octopus. Let's do one more. Can you tell me which animal walks sideways? That's right, it's a crab. Fantastic job! Congratulations for doing a great job! Today, you earned your Ocean Explorer badge. Great job today! Keep exploring. Keep playing. Keep learning. Like and subscribe. See you next time!